Hi there, I'm Thomas. In this little video here, I'm going to show you how to enrich assets from a nameplate photo. So on this project here, you see I have an ATS. That ATS has a type, ATS, then some checklists attached, but no other information here on the side. So of course, I could go in here and give it a name, my ATS or whatever else. And I could also import an Excel file with data. But in some cases, you don't have the actual data, or you want the data on site. That means you're going to use the CxAI here. That means go on site, take a photo, then we're going to auto extract data from the nameplate and inject into the asset for you. Let me show you how that functions. First, I'm going to open this ATS. That opens that specific asset. Left side here, that's all the details that you can work with. On the right side, you have the attributes, and it's the attributes that we're going to work with for now. We only have the standard ones here available. If you want to, you can add additional ones, but for now, keep it like this. Then go for the AI auto update. It's also available on mobile, and it's meant for you to do on a mobile, but I'm going to show it on a laptop too. Then click extract data from image. That will open the camera on the device. On a laptop where I am here, it opens my file explorer, so I can go in and I should be able to find a file somewhere. Here we go. I selected a file. Then we're pushing it through the CxAI. It extracting the data. And as you see here, it finds the manufacturer, the serial number, model, category, system, and so on. It just keeps on finding all the data they can extract. If it was in doubt, then it would show a drop-down menu. So you can select that and then toggle between the options that we found that could be a match for you. As I keep on going down here, you'll see CFM, to kilowatt pole, and so on. So these are all the other data that it could extract from that image. So that means if I like that data, I could click create an ad, and then that would be also injected in as an attribute for me. Well, let's for now here just go with the basics ones. So manufacturer, click on that one. You'll see in the back here, it's getting updated. So that is the way to verify the data before importing. I can just go down, update all existing attributes in one go. See down here, data added. You get the tracking here for when it was added, and also in the global asset overview here. Now you suddenly have the data in line. So that's a quick way of adding data from image with CxAI.